Okay, so today we're going to show you a few of the products offered by Olympic Lighting that replace 400 watt metal halide lamps. Here we have a 400 watt reduced jacket, and this is the regular size MH400, and then here's some good options for it. The first one is a 120 watt. It's a 5500K, so it's nice bright white. Anything exterior, high bay indoor is great. It's a 120 277 volt, 5,000 hours, and 5-year warranty. This will fit most applications. For the bigger one, no problem. Now, if you have a couple unique options, they have Olympic Lighting. They have a rotating base, so you can see that once you put it in the fixture, if you need to adjust it, if it's a down application, you can adjust the socket and it will illuminate perfectly wherever you want. You don't lose any uplight on it, so that's one of the things that they say. And you only have 100 watt instead of 120 watt because you're not losing any of the light up in the reflector. If you have a really tight application like the reduced jacket 400 watt ED28, they do make a short version. It's still not as short as the ED28. It's short as the big one, no problem, but not as the ED28. And this one also is good for wall packs. It rotates so you can get the angle just right. All these are 50,000 hour, all come with a 5-year warranty. And if you have any questions, just give us a call at the phone number at the end of the video. One last thing is, if you do have a 480 application, we do make a step-down transformer. It's GE part number 74119, and they're about 20 bucks. So you can step it down from 480 to 277. That's it. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.